guys, it's me, 𝗦𝗢𝗖𝗜, and welcome to my little corner of YouTube. Right now, I am in Ghana, and maybe you're hearing some noise. It's because a plane is passing, and I'm taking you to a home not far from home, close to the airport. So that was just a short break. In fact, it was a plane break, and now I'm back to show you a house. I know that having a home is not just about having a place, but it should also be a space for you to express your creativity and feel at home and have peace. So that is why I'm bringing you and I'm coming to show you a family design home, like a family architectural home located around the lakeside community, around the lakeside side of Accra. First of all, before giving you the tour of the exterior, I think it's important to know that this house is made up of a motorized gate. It's made up of electric fence gate. It's made up of a lot of greenery. You have CCTV camera everywhere. You have your own borehole with your own mechanical pump. I think I will show you that as you are moving around. You also have ACs everywhere. And the house itself aside from having AC, it also has fans so that you can kind of choose if you want to be economical or you want to go all big on electricity.
Trees are in green, the ocean is gray, skies are very blue, come away.
To anywhere.
It could use a hand. My favorite TV shows are capturing. I know I must get it right, must get back in the fight. This can't be a surprise. I think I'll let it slide. I'm sleepwalking through all of my problems. I know I can't make it through. Every night it's the same. I keep running fast, left and right, wondering where my head's gone now.
This time around, I'm doing the tour of the outside because a lot of your comments have been like, why is it that Ghanaian homes don't make houses with greenery? So this is greenery. This is greenery. It's not fake. It's greenery. There are CCTV cameras just up there, as you can see. ACs everywhere. I told you that there are ACs everywhere. You have your borehole and your motorized pumper with a water tank just to yourself for the house. So that means there will be no water shortage for you. You also have a boys' quarter, or depending on what you want to call it, a boys' quarter and office, depending on what you want to change it into. It's actually a one bedroom in suite, so you can change it here. Then you have, the house also has an alarm system, by the way. So this is kind of one of the microphone alarm. So the house is very secured. And it also has, in case you want to go traditional, you can see kind of wash some things out there. Maybe you cook and the pot is black. You can still wash some things out here. And you can also decide to do some washing still at this side here. So this is just at the door to the backyard of the kitchen. Yeah, so you can just decide to come out, do some washing here, or there, depending on your preference. Let's now go. Still greenery, yo. This is greenery. So, now, this is not greenery. This is actually a parking space. You can kind of you can actually park like about 4 cars. 4 cars aligned here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 actually, because just in front of the house you can see park. So you have like a 5 space parking car. No, 5 car parking space. Yes. So now that we are done with the outside, let me take you to the inside of the house. Let's go. I particularly like this entrance. For me, I just feel like I like the greenery, and it's actually really natural. Like, so if you actually get it, you can actually, I just imagine if you have it like in 2 or 3 years time, how beautiful this place is going to be. And look at the entrance. There's still a CCTV camera. This house is just full on security. CCTV camera attached to like alarm system. So you are cool. Yeah. Welcome to your future home. Welcome.
In a world of green, just like a dream, you and I standing wild and free, with petals so golden, the sun's warm kiss, a love so strong, a bliss. Whispers of the breeze, secrets unfold. It's you that I need, it's you that I want. When the world gets cold, it's you and me. When the sun comes back, you'll see. Oh, 𝗬𝗪𝗧 the strength that you've shown, stronger each year. Look how we hold on through the toughest of times. We still stand strong. Through pavement we will grow. Forever we will grow. Deep within your eyes, I found a home. The love that we share can never grow.
Welcome to your future home. Here's the living room. You have a fan. In fact, not all a fan. You have two fans. You have one here, and you have one here. You have an AC, so you decide which system of ventilation you want to have. Do you want to have an AC ventilation system, a fan ventilation system, or window ventilation system? So the windows are burglar proof, and aside that, you also have like sliding windows, which you can open and receive fresh air. You also have, I told you that you have an alarm and security system. So this kind of a camera and alarm monitor right here. The door is practically very secure. You can lock from inside, and aside having a key, you have like a hook here. You also have obviously this knitted wooden ceiling light right here, and this place can be the dining area. You can kind of have like a dining area right here, and then this other space you can kind of have your own personal living room here. Also here, this is actually just a bathroom, not a bathroom, the washroom to kind of clean yourself for the guests. So it's just down, just by the dining area. Now that we are done with the living room, let me take you to the kitchen. Here is the kitchen. It's made up of a lot of storage, a lot of pantries, a lot of storage. You have a microwave. You have a 5-space cooker, gas cooker, not electric cooker, gas cooker. You have an extractor, a mechanized extractor. This is storage space. So you kind of have a modern type of kitchen tap. You know, I'm sure by now you know that this is the trend, and they're offering you the trend basically. You also have another pantry. Here you can keep like wine for your drinks, and you have like a fridge, brand new, not used, for yourself. And again, security system from the kitchen. You can see monitor everything that is going in your house, and a fan and an AC, as I told you, so you can choose which system of ventilation you prefer. Let me show you now the washing unit, or the laundry room. So basically, this is the laundry room here, a washing machine, a brand new modern washing machine for your use. So basically, we are done with the downstairs. The downstairs is made up of the living room, the guest washroom, the kitchen, and then the laundry room. Now we are going upstairs. So we have light guiding your steps. And I like the tiles. The tiles give like a wooden effect, and it's not noisy. I actually like the quality of the tiles. It looks like a natural floor, but this is a tile. And just by here, you have a space where you can decorate. You can put some of your artwork, some of your paintings. So upstairs is usually like a family area. So you have this space where you can change it into a family living room, or a family watch space where the kids can watch TV, or a wine room, or any place where you know that this is like a family time to relax. So that when guests come, and if you are from the house, you don't need to go down and kind of meet them. So this is made up of 4 bedrooms and 1 boys' quarter, just at the back as I showed you. So for just showing purposes, I'm going to show you 2 of the normal rooms, and then obviously master bedroom, so you can kind of guess how the other rooms look like. Let me first of all take you to one of the normal rooms, or let me just say the female room or the girls' room. Right here. Come in. Yes, so this is the room. I think they have a lot of space. This is a wardrobe. a lot of space for clothes, kind of white. Then you have your fan, you have your light, you have your AC, and the lights, depending on which one you want to on. You can decide to on one, you can decide to on the LED, you can decide to on the ceiling light, this LED ceiling light, or you can decide to on both. Then you have burglar-proof windows. So let me take you to the boys' room. Oh, before I take you there, let me show you the washroom. So this is actually the washroom of the girls' room. You have hot water available, water heater. You have storage space for your toiletries as a girl, a lot of storage space, water, tap, where to put anything, maybe your toothbrush or, and then obviously the white throne, the white wire mattress. Yes. So let me take you to the guys' room. So here is the men's room. It's basically the same as you can see as the girls' room. It's just the same design, same wardrobe design. You still have your ceiling fan, same LED light, same ceiling light, fan, AC. Then let me take you to the washroom. The washroom is still the same design. Actually, same design. You have the place to wash take yourself bathing area. You have tap where to put your towel. A lot of sockets. I think I forgot to this one has a socket, and then the water heater. It's actually the same. So now let's go to the master bedroom. Yep. So the master bedroom is here. Welcome to the master bedroom. You can see the master bedroom is quite big compared to all the other rooms. But it has the same kind of LED light and ceiling light. It has a fan, it has an AC, and how the house is structured, it has very wide windows, depending if you want kind of have like fresh air. You also have, on the balcony is also burglar-proof with sliding burglar-proof system. And just right here, you have the balcony to yourself. You have a balcony to yourself. See yourself. Then let me take you now to the washroom, the closet and the washroom. What I like about here, honestly, I feel like it's unique. This is the first time I'm seeing all the houses. The sliding door. I think it's called. Nice. Anyway, let's enter. So here is the walk-in closet right here. With a mirror. You know girls have mirror, right? Yeah. With a mirror. A lot of storage space. Then it's just connected to the bathroom or the washroom. The bathroom here is bigger than all of them in the house. You have storage space for your toiletries just right here with a mirror. You have a bathing, in fact, you have the white room. You have the bathing area with different types of shower heads. So you have the cell phone and you also have the rain type of shower head. You also have obviously a water heater, a place to hang your towel, and a bathtub. Yeah. And now, guys, we are done with the tour of the house. And then before I tell you the price, I need to let you know that this house is built on the land of 100 by 55 feet. So you kind of imagine the size of the land or the house. And it goes for a price of $275,000 US. So in case you're interested in this house or some houses like that, or any other houses, because this house is actually made up of 4 units, so you can get any of the units of this house. Or maybe you also want another house, maybe not this. You can reach me through my 𝗬𝗎 Global website, which I'm partnering with, which I'm actually going to put it down here. Or directly to my email with Sephy in case so if you send a message on the website, also send me an email so that I can actually follow up on your message. So you just send on this email withsephy@gmail.com, withsephy@gmail.com. Plus, you can just leave a message on the website, or even my email is fine, but I'll make sure I reach you. And you can get this property for yourself, for your loved ones, for your family, or even I can also help you get more properties in Ghana. Yes. So guys, thank you so much for watching. By the way, a lot of people are watching, but they are not subscribing. A lot of are coming back to watch plenty time, but they are not subscribing. Please, there's a subscribe button down there, the red button. Just click on the subscribe button. Subscribe. And see you next time. Bye.